Hamster Kombat AirDrop. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of Hamster Kombat and its latest airdrop event. If you're a fan of this unique game and want to learn how to participate in the airdrop, you've come to the right place. Let's get started. First, for those unfamiliar, Hamster Kombat is a fun, engaging game that combines adorable hamsters with thrilling combat mechanics. Players can collect, train, and battle their hamsters in various arenas. So, what exactly is an airdrop? In the gaming and cryptocurrency world, an airdrop is a way to distribute free tokens or rewards to players. This is often done to promote a game, reward loyal players, or introduce new features. In the case of Hamster Kombat, the airdrop is a fantastic opportunity to enhance your gameplay experience. Now, let's talk about how to participate in the airdrop. First, make sure you have the Hamster Kombat game installed and an active account. Here's a step-by-step guide. Keep an eye on the official Hamster Kombat social media accounts and Discord server. Then, often, airdrops require players to complete specific tasks, so complete the required tasks if any show up. Link your wallet, so if the airdrop involves tokens, you'll need to link your cryptocurrency wallet to your Hamster Kombat account. And stay informed, so participate in community discussions and stay updated on any announcements related to the airdrop. In conclusion, the Hamster Kombat AirDrop is an excellent opportunity for both new and veteran players to gain some rewards and enhance their gaming experience. So make sure to follow the steps outlined to participate and stay engaged with the community. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gaming!